In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo image to your form. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can brand your form in just a moment. Start by looking to the right side of your screen for the vertical toolbar. This is where the design and media tools live. Find the option labeled Add Image. It may show a small picture icon next to it, and it sits alongside other customization tools. When you're ready, click Add Image. This tells the editor you want to place a logo into the form. As soon as you do, an image selection window will open. This is your hub for bringing in the logo. Here, you can either upload a new file from your device or select one that already exists in your library. If your logo is on your computer, choose the Upload option and pick the file from your folders. If you've previously added your logo to your media library, simply select it from the available images. For best results, use a clear, high-quality logo. PNG files with transparent backgrounds tend to look especially clean. Keeping the file size moderate helps the form load quickly, and a reasonable width, such as 500 to 1000 pixels, usually displays crisply without appearing oversized. Once you've chosen your logo, the editor will place it directly into the main form area. You'll see it appear right away, so there's no guesswork. The placement is handled by your current form layout, which means the logo will automatically align with your design settings. If your theme uses a header area, expect the logo to land there. If the form emphasizes a side panel or top banner, it will follow that pattern. That way, your logo blends into the design without extra effort. Take a moment to confirm it looks sharp and legible. If you notice any blurriness, consider using a higher resolution version next time. If the background behind your logo is busy, a transparent background file can help it stand out. And if you ever need to switch to a different logo later, you can return to the same Add Image control and make a new selection. That's all it takes. You clicked Add Image on the right side toolbar, uploaded or selected your logo in the image selection window, and your logo instantly appeared in the main form area. Your logo image is now visible in the form, giving it a professional, on-brand look with minimal effort.